Yo, what is good, guys? Daniel Savage here, man. I want to first start off by saying, yo, guys, thank you so much for the 12,000 subscribers. It feels like we just broke 10K, not even yesterday. It's crazy, man. I love the channel growth, man. It's amazing. And, before I get into this video, I haven't been uploading that much. A lot of you guys do know because a lot of you guys actually follow me on Instagram that I just bought a brand new 2020 Lamborghini Urus. And honestly, I've been just enjoying the car. We did, me and my partner, Raul, we did also release a really big news announcement as well that we will be opening up our own broker as well for traders to trade on. A book strictly only, no manipulation, no bullshit, everything strictly a book by the book. Basically to kind of give traders more of an actual chance when it comes to trading. You know what I'm saying? We're in a world where everything is basically be-booked and manipulated, so that way, the average trader could lose and, activate their little gambler's mindset so that way they could keep losing and the broker gets richer while the average retail trader gets more poor. I don't know how else to explain that. So anyways, getting straight into this video, guys, something that was very highly requested, especially by our Signal group, because we do have a Signals program and we do have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people. I don't want to say an exact number, but it's pretty impressive. Of people on our Signals program, and a lot of them are like, hey, look, Daniel, is there any way that you can kind of make YouTube videos based on exactly why we took these trades, this and that? And I thought it was a pretty good idea to actually get in there and show people like, hey, why not? So I thought it was a pretty good idea, so we are going to be continuing doing that. And yeah, guys, I kind of want to do that for the channel, you know what I'm saying? Give some free knowledge in there as well. And this is just something that was really requested, and you got to give the people what they want. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, I'm kind of falling off subject. So today is May 18th. Well, now it's 5:19. I'm currently trading the London session right now, so I am awake and I have some spare time. So why not make a YouTube video? So, as you guys can see here, May 18th, it is kind of blurry just because it is a black background, so you won't be able to see. But anyways, this is basically our, signals that we sent out this morning. I sent a message at 7:42 that, hey, good morning, guys. Markets are pretty dead right now, and it's Monday. So if any trade is being sent out today, we're only risking 1.5%. So, and 20 minutes later, I did end up seeing something that I did like, and I ended up calling a GJ long, which the entry was 130, 370, take profit 1, 2, 3, and 4 were also there, but our overall take profit was 131, 270 with our stop loss of 130.090. So right off the bat, looking at the charts over here, we can see first off the bat, the risk to reward is 3.16. So right off the bat, oh wait, let's actually fix this here. This was actually 270 overall take profit. Bam. All right, so right off the bat, you can already see that we do have a pretty nice risk to reward ratio on this trade. We're basically making 3.3 times our risk if this trade did play out, which it did end up playing out, which is very lovely. So basically why I did take this trade, I was looking at these 3 time frames all at the same time. First of all, looking here, we're gonna kind of spread this out here a little bit. So as you guys can see here, you guys can see that we kind of have this level of support, as you guys can see, which was broken and retested, and now a newfound form of resistance. And then we have this candle right here that basically broke that level of resistance. So right off the bat, I'm thinking, okay, like I've said in the past, how do we determine where price is most likely going to go? We have to look left. So once we break one form of resistance or one form of support, we're most likely going to retest and touch and target the previous levels of support or resistance. In this situation, I use this level right here, and I use this level right here. And as you guys can see, all levels were pretty much hit. So it was a really good trade, especially for a Monday, guys, on the pound pair over here that we have with the GJ. And just looking at the setup, could kind of confuse people because our entry is right here. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't want to just enter off this trade just based off this. So I did see here on the 15-minute and the 5-minute setup. Let's spread out these charts right here. Boom, boom. Right here. So looking here on the 15-minute chart, you guys can kind of see that we did get pretty much a really good entry on this one. But I didn't want to enter off the bat because I didn't want to get faked out at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So what I did see here on the 5-minute is the second that this candle right here closed bullish, engulfing all of these previous little 3 candles that we have right here, I had a feeling that we were most likely going to keep going and skyrocketing until we see our other previous level that we had as a level of resistance. As you guys can see right here in the 30-minute, you know what I'm saying? Resistance, support. So this was one of my main targets. This was my first take profit, kind of at like a 1-to-1 at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So as you guys can see, looking here on the 5-minute, we have this nice little bullish engulfing candle here on the 5-minute. And we did enter as we were engulfing all of this. There was a few seconds left into the 5-minute. So I did feel comfortable entering it before the candle closed. And as you guys can see, we just straight immediately into profit. We did come back down to entry. We were at, what is this? Literally barely anything, not even 3 pips in drawdown before we just started just skyrocketing and boom. And as you guys can see, take profit 1 was hit in the first 12 minutes. As I can see here from when I called it. I actually went on IG live on my Instagram and called it as well. So first take profit 1 was hit and boom. Then after that, we reached this level right here, which is my second take profit. And then I did call for our stops to be boom at break even. So at the end of the day, this was a risk-free trade. So once we did come back down here and had a little retracement, I did want to re-enter on this trade due to the fact this is in my golden zone for a Fibonacci, which is the 50 and the 618. But our entry was already way better than this one. As you guys can see, it came back down, touched it. Boom, let's erase this. And either way, our entry was right here. We were pretty good. Didn't want to get greedy. And either way, I could have took another trade there. I could have called it. Our stops are break even on this one. So we could have added more risk to the day. But it is Monday, guys. To be honest, almost the 4 years I've been trading, most of my losses, literally about probably 80% of my losses have been due to Monday. You know what I'm saying? Having barely no liquidity, no volume, this and that, being super slow and just very disrespectful. And as you guys can see, going back here to the 30-minute, boom. Look how perfect we were able to hit take profit 4 for an overall target and then wicking right back down, which is really lovely because when it comes to trading, you need to be able to have realistic take profits as well as realistic stop losses. So imagine if our take profit was, let's say, over here, we would never reach it. So being able to determine where you're going to put your overall take profits or, take profits in general, you always got to look left. And in this situation, I did like this level right here. And boom, as you guys can see, this level was broken and reached the next one just like a magnet. Like I said, most likely what price is going to do once it breaks the level of resistance as well as the level of support, it is most likely going to retest the previous level of resistance or previous level of support. And as you guys can see, this level where we did have our take profit was boom, retested 2 times before, as you guys can see right now, just straight up destroying it. It's going. Most likely what price is going to do is come and retest this level right here. Boom. That's probably where price most likely is going to go next. So anyways, as you guys can see, that's exactly why we took this trade. Basically, we had a break of this resistance. We had a lot of confirmations. Not a lot of confirmations, but we did have some confirmations as to why price was going to continue going up to the upside. At the end of the day, our risk was small, but our reward was bigger. At the end of the day, like I said, guys, this setup was a 3 times our risk. So I was comfortable risking 1.5% and being able to make 3 times my risk. Ended up making about 5% for the day, which is pretty lovely. So anyways, guys, that is exactly why we took this trade and called this trade. You know, nice little 90 pips take profit. And boom, that was it for our Monday trade. So hopefully you guys learned something from this video. And yeah, guys, keep in mind our stop losses were a little bit under this previous wick here, just so that way if price were to come back down and close under here or just retest this area, I most likely would not be looking for longs. So in this situation, as price did not do that, it just kept going and boom. And as you guys can see here, even on live, like I said, what price most likely was going to do was retest this area. And as you can see, it literally just touched it and wicked right back down. So like I said, guys, this isn't really rocket science, guys. This does take practice. It does take, you know, just going into the charts and kind of studying the charts and, you know, being one with the pair. You know what I'm saying? Form a psychological relationship with the pair. I know you guys have heard it a million times before. The most successful traders in the world trade 1 to 2 pairs only. So look at that. As you guys can see here, boom, perfect. It doesn't get any more perfect than that. And we caught it here live. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Also, thank you guys so much for the congratulations on the video. Not the video, I'm sorry, on the post that I put with the Eurus. Man, 10,000 likes, more than 500 comments. That's amazing, man. I love the support, guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Daniel Savage, and I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment what you guys want to keep seeing. You know, I want to kind of keep giving back to you guys as well. I'm always answering my emails. You can send me an email. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I post videos every single day. I go live almost every single day. And yeah, guys, that's it for this video, guys. It's getting pretty long, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yo, what is good, guys? Daniel Savage here. Good morning. Good morning. Kind of want to add on to this video of yesterday's signal because we did end up calling another signal. So why not put them both in one video? This was also a pretty nice winner. It's still running right now. Stops are at break even, but I do kind of want to explain as to why I did take these signals. So let's just go to this one part of the screen here real quick. As you guys can see here, we do have this really strong level of support leading back to May 14th, which here looking on my Rolex is about 5 days ago. No, I'm just kidding. And as you can see, it's very, very, very well respected. So once we did see, well, I physically saw this level of support being created right here on this level of support with a nice little, you know, bullish candle. I was safe that, you know, we were most likely going to keep, we're most likely going to keep going up. So I was going to wait for a little bit more signs. I was going to wait for another bullish candle. And that's what I did on this candle right here. As you guys can see, it did spike up and I did enter and then came back down, but it kept going up. Came right back down for retracement during the morning and then completely shot up. So as you guys can see here, let's see why I chose these take profit levels. So we did have a, no, actually this was up here. This was like right here. There you go, boom. This is right here. Bam. Oh, well, it's a little bit more. But either way, at the end of the day, I did send out a message before I did send this signal, as you guys can see here. Basically, I did say we were going to be risking 1.5% on this position. And the risk to reward was really good on this one. It was basically almost 5 times the risk on this trade. So if we would have played it out, then hey, as you guys can see, you know, we're so far halfway into the trade on this one. And, you know, I just sent the signal like, hey, look, guys, you know, I see this really good setup. It was going to be pretty aggressive. And I explained to why. And I'm trying to find the best entry. And then I did take an entry literally 6 minutes later after sending that message telling people we're going to be risking small in this trade. And boom, you know, we set up our take profit levels. First take profit, about a one, like, kind of not even like a 1-to-1, but just to be safe because it is a trade that was sent out during like 4 in the morning. So, you know, gold likes to move mostly during the New York session. So just to be safe on that one, that would have been a nice little scalp exit right here. But of course, I was still very confident in this trade due to the fact that we had a very beautiful level of support right here. And also looking on the 4-hour, it was a break and retest as well of this previous level of resistance. So this trade all the way, in my opinion, was probably one of the best setups I've taken this month. And the aggressive entry right here was kind of aggressive, but what can I say? You know, trade did plan out. My risk was there. My risk management was there. My risk to reward was looking beautiful. and boom, I was not afraid to execute this trade. And as you guys can see currently right now, this trade is running in about 130 pips in profit right now. So that is doing very, very lovely. I did send a message after take profit 2 was to put stops to break even. So right now we're in a risk-free trade. You know, the traders can actually close if they want right now and be 130 pips profit for the day. So, you know, that was another gold signal that we did send out. And yeah, guys, that was just kind of it. A little quick explanation as to why I sent this gold trade last night. So for everybody that's in our signals program, yeah, we're going to continue doing this even when it comes to our losses. We do want to keep giving education along with our signals. Sorry, I'm still looking at the trade. I'm still currently in it. And basically, yeah, guys, you know, we're just going to keep giving more free education. You know, our broker's about to launch as well. So that way we will, you know, be trading a lot more capital. We will be on the safe side. So since we do own the broker, we wouldn't mind putting in even millions in the broker to trade. At the end of the day, there's going to be no manipulation. So anyways, guys, I will link in the description below the Signals website, my course website where I teach everybody this. It's a one-time fee, lifetime access. Our Signals program is you pay for only 1 month. It's not a recurring payment. You pay as you go. You know what I'm saying? If you finish 1 month, you can pay for the next one. At the end of the day, there's no recurring payment, guys. So you just pay for 1 month, and once that month is done, if you want to keep continuing with us, which most likely everybody does, 90% of last month actually renewed, 10% did not, and boom, you know, we're giving a slaughter here to the markets here with you guys. So you guys can also take advantage of that, learn and earn when it comes to these videos as well. Or you guys don't have to. You can just watch the videos and get some free education. So anyways, guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I got a lot more coming for you guys. Today's actually a really good day as well. I'll probably throw another vlog in there. I got to go pick up the Lamborghini today. And yeah, guys, I'm pretty excited for that, man. The Urus got downpipes in a tune, so I'm pretty excited. We're pushing about 700 right now. So man, I'm just really excited, man. I'm really blessed, man. And I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Daniel Savage, and I'm out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, all right?